Hey you, short on money at the end of each month for a couple bills, groceries, or even just for hobbies? Try using Swagbucks. It's a great reward site. Sounds too much like a scam? Well, I have proof that it's legit. Here's a picture of millions of people using it, including some of my friends. Here's my account, my PayPal, and my profile. So what is Swagbucks? Well, Swagbucks is a free online rewards membership program where users verify their account and they start earning points in rewards known as Swagbucks, or SB for short. You can use these Swagbucks to redeem gift cards like Amazon, Starbucks, and even PayPal. One time only, if you sign up under my referral link and reach 300 Swagbucks, you'll get another 300 Swagbucks the following day after. Here are some tricks in how to get easy Swagbucks from easiest to hardest, and I'll put a daily and monthly point counter in the corner for reference. Tip number 0. Join the Swagbucks membership recognition program. Every time you hit a certain amount of points, you'll reach a new tier, which they'll give an incentive of either giving you double points on another survey for a limited time, or even points when you redeem a gift card. Tip number 1. Daily poll. Every day, you'll just have to answer a random question and you'll get 1 point automatically. Tip number 2. Reddit click and watch. So follow the instructions when you click the link. As of right now, you can only get 28 points daily. Tip number 3. Games. You can get a daily maximum of 10 points for any game. You just can't speedrun through the game. Tip number 4. Swag codes. You can either use the extension or use this link, sc-s.com, to find the daily code, which will either give you 2 or 3 points a day. Tip number 4.5. If you refer friends to Swagbucks using your own referral code, you'll also gain 10% of their earning as well. So for example, if your friends get 100 points, you get 10 points. Also, if they hit 300 Swagbucks points, you also get the 300 Swagbucks points as well the following day. Tip number 5. Swagbucks Live on mobile devices only. So you have to find this app on the App Store and install it. So what it is a multiple choice trivia app that runs from Monday to Thursday at 5 p.m. and Friday at 12 p.m. Points can vary depending on how many answers you get correct, or if you answer all of them correct, then you'll get the grand prize, which is a split of whatever point is displayed at the beginning of each game. Tip number 6. Searching. So you can use the search engine as if it was like a Google search. Every 20 to 30 searches, you can get 5 points, but you must enter the CAPTCHA. This also varies when there are special events or collector bills. You can only search and claim 3 times per day. Tip number 7. Surveys from either Gold or Discovers. These points varies depending on how much points the survey give and the length of the survey. Try to answer the surveys honestly, otherwise they might disqualify you. Tip number 8. Shopping. Some sites on Swagbucks gives you cashback and rewards of swag points. There is also a risky way to earn Swagbucks. Basically, you enter the swag stakes, and depending on your luck, you may or may not earn Swagbucks. So it's a hit or miss. Other tips include joining the Canadian or American Swagbucks Facebook group. The people in those groups can help a lot discovering new contests or swag codes. Events you should watch out for: Team Challenges and Swaggo. Team Challenges help you earn rebates for gift cards, while Swaggo's basically is you playing bingo and submitting the bingo board for points. Also, every time you hit a daily goal here, you contribute points to a monthly system where you can redeem at the start of every month. As you can see, if you hit your daily goal consecutively, you gain more points when you redeem it. To-do list. If you complete 5 tasks on the to-do list, you get a couple of bonus Swagbucks. If you complete all 6 tasks of the to-do list, you get more points. This to-do list will reset every day. There are actually more ways that you can earn Swagbucks that I probably missed. Feel free to explore. Also, if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll try to answer them to the best of my knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I hope you get a couple of extra bucks at the end of each month to spend.